broken wings. She liked to take in birds with broken wings. She liked to take in birds with broken wings. I walked by this store one day, had a lot of sparkly, shiny things in the window. I went in, and there she was, among so many cages filled with birds. I said, so many birds, what do you do with them all? She said, they're broken. I fixed them, 'cause they all took a fall. She likes to take in birds with broken wings. She likes to take in birds with broken wings. She likes to take in birds with broken wings. She likes to take in birds with broken wings. I said, why don't you let them fly free? She said, what do you mean? That's why they came to me. I said, you aren't very nice, are you, lady? Or maybe you were a broken bird once too. She likes to take in birds with broken wings. She likes to take in birds with broken wings. She likes to take in birds with broken wings. She likes to take in birds. She likes to take in birds with broken wings. She likes to take in birds with broken wings. She likes to take in birds with broken wings. She likes to take in birds with broken wings.